In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the black screen on your OBS on Mac OS. So if you are on Mac and you are having problems with a black screen on OBS, this is a really simple thing to sort out. So what the problem will be is you probably haven't given permission to OBS to record your screen, which will result in getting a black screen once you open OBS and you try and record or stream. So the first thing you will need to do is go to the top left hand corner to the Apple icon. Once you click on the Apple icon, you can now click on System Preferences. Once you click on System Preferences, you will need to go to this section here and you will need to scroll all the way across until you find Security and Privacy. Once you click on Security and Privacy, you now need to scroll down until you find Screen Recording, which is right here on my page. Once you select that, as you can see, this may be grayed out on your device, and all you simply need to do is click the lock to make changes, and then it will ask you to sign in using your password in order to make changes to this option. Once you have signed in using your password, as you can see, it is now available to click, and you can uncheck this box if you want to, or if you are having a problem, you will need to check this box in order to give permissions to OBS to record your screen on your Mac. Once you have done that, you can click the lock, and then that will save that change on this settings tab here. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.